In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to animate in Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is log into your Canva account. And when you do, you will either end up on the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, from wherever you are, navigate over to the left-hand column of menu options, look for projects, and when you find it, click on projects. Now, when you do this, Canva will pull up all of the projects that you're currently working on. So from here, locate the project that you would like to animate in and click it when you find it. And once you do, Canva will open this new project inside of Canva's design editor in a new window. So from here, simply click on the element on your page that you would like to animate. So we're going to just start with the yellow sun, which is really just a yellow circle. From here, you will notice a top row of options appear, or a toolbar, and all you need to do is look for Animate and click on that when you find it. So once you click on Animate, you'll have two tabs, Page as well as Element. So you need to make sure that you're on the Element tab, and from here you will see a list of animations that you can apply. So we first have general, and these are the main animations. So you can hover over each of the animations, and when you do, you will see a preview on the right hand side of your screen, which is your actual design. And below the general animation options, we have add-on effects, which are effects that can be added on top of one of these general animations. So let's select an animation. So we're going to just click on Rise, and you'll notice that when you click on an animation, there'll be configurations that you can make. So for this animation, we can decide whether we would like to have it rise on both, or on enter, or on exit. So I am gonna select both, on enter and on exit, and you can configure the speed using the slider bar. And if you do not like the animation after adding it, you can simply just click on remove animation and you'll come back to the different animations. Something to note is that different animations have different configurations, so they're not all going to be the same. It's on an individual basis. So let's go with this animation. So now that we've selected that, we can come down to add-on effects, and we can select one of these add-on effects. So I'm gonna go for pulse, and when you click on pulse, the only configuration we have is intensity. So I'm gonna max out the intensity of this. So now you will notice that once you select an add-on effect, you will now have the option to remove the animation, which is in reference to one of these, whatever you picked from the general options. And you'll also have an option to clear animations. So clicking this will completely clear both the general as well as the add-on effects. And now if we click on our text, it's the exact same process. You'll see that top row of options. you can click on Animate and make sure that it's on the text tab, and you can do the exact same thing. Hover over each of the options to preview them and select the one that you like best. So when you click on one of the animations for text, you'll see the same configurations that you can make for the animation. And here as well, you'll have suggested general, which are your main animations, and you can also have an animation effect add-on. So once you have both, you can come over to the top right corner, click on share, and when you want to download, come down to download, click on download, and ensure that the file type is an MP4 video or a PowerPoint in order for your animation to be viewable. And when you are ready, simply come down to the download button and click on download. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if there's anything that I may have missed along the way or any questions at all that you may have, please feel free to drop them in the comments of the video and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.